Welcome to Computex Taipei. I'm Brandon Lewis with Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at the Wincomm booth, which is behind me. And Wincomm is a company that's been working on medical electronic solutions for more than 2 decades now. And a lot of that work has been done in collaboration with partners like Intel. To give us the perspective of Intel on what Wincomm's been doing and what the two of them have been able to produce together, George Tai of Intel, a sales director for the Health and Life Sciences division in APAC, is here with us today. How are you, George?
Thank you, Brandon. I'm doing very well. Healthcare has been an important vector for Intel, and Wincomm has been indispensable in this effort as we help digitize and transform healthcare institutions today. Wincomm works with us with the WMP22P, which is using our 13th gen CPU to help drive and innovate digitization of healthcare as well as artificial intelligence. Wincomm has been an indispensable partner as we continue to transform healthcare, and we hope to continue working together in the future as well. Thank you.
So we have H.Y. Chu here, who is the CEO of Wincomm, and you probably know better than anybody the different types of medical electronic platforms that Wincomm is developing, especially the all-in-one solutions. Can you explain what types of all-in-one medical platforms you're developing?
Wincomm are major in the medical AIO design and manufacturing, especially in 4 applications: point of care, nursing cards, and the medical AI and the OR solution. And Wincomm have some unique design feature to meet above 4 applications. The first one is the medical regulation, and then the isolation. And next one is the antibacterial design, and then we have the PCI expansion slots, and then we have battery design, and last one is the MXM module for the AI solution.
Very good. So obviously, when you're developing medical solutions, a lot of times you're developing for safety, right? So what are some of the steps that you take when you're developing a system for maybe an operating room where safety is critical?
Sometimes for the operating room, the safety is the most important. So for Wincomm's design, there are 3 or 4 features. It's a must to meet this requirement. The first one is the disinfection. So Wincomm's unique design feature is antibacterial and also have an IP rating for the disinfection. The next one is the medical regulation. Wincomm design have the EN 60601-1 safety and also EN 60601-1-2 EMC regulation. The next one is the isolation design for the communication port. This is very important. This is a very important feature. Why I said that? Because isolation design means the ground isolation and the signal isolation. This can ensure the robust communication between the medical all-in-one and the medical equipment. And the last one is the fanless design, and the power inside is also an important feature for the OR solution.
Obviously, Wincomm's not the only company creating solutions like this. Maybe one of the leaders, but how do you differentiate yourselves with your all-in-one medical cart and panel PC solutions? What are the 3 biggest features that you offer that set yourself apart?
I think the major 3 key features Wincomm design is, first one is we provide the longest battery hour through Wincomm's iControl software. The second one, we design a 30-watt output for the car peripheral use. The last one is Wincomm have a HDMI in solution for the OR application.
Very good. One of the things that is really important as well is the power supply, obviously, in these designs. Are there special considerations with platforms like the WMP22T that you have to make with regards to the power supply? We have 2 design options for the power supply. The first one is power adapter outside. And when we design the power adapter outside, we must consider how to secure the DC input. So we have a lock type connector. The second option is the power inside. This is easier for the power cable installation in the OR application. And as the power inside will generate the power, the heat problem, and Wincomm can overcome the heat problem, thermal problem by Wincomm unique iControl software. And also the UPS battery we also design in feature in our 22T product.
Right. So one of the things that I noticed here, you've got some battery packs here, and then also behind you over there, there's a medical cart PC. There's a demo you have we'll be taking a look at, but can you explain what's going on the medical panel PC?
Okay, because right now for the e-hospital, the EMR and the image digitalization is more and more popular now. And I think the mobile carts is also part of the application. So how to solve this problem? There are two design features. The first one is how to replacement for the UPS on the bottom of the medical cart. Wincomm has a design feature for 3 swapper battery. They can replacement for the big UPS battery on the bottom side. And the second one is because in the medical cart we must access the patient ID and also the QR code for the EMR. And Wincomm medical panel PC, we have 2 design options. The first one is the RFID reader. The second one is the barcode scanner. It can fulfill these 2 requirements.
Great. Well, thank you so much, HY. We really appreciate your time today. If you're interested in finding out more about Wincomm's medical solutions, you can stop by their booth here at Computex 2023 in Taipei at the Nanking Convention Center and look for HY and some of their collaborators over at Intel.